Hey everyone! In this lecture, let's start creating our Ubuntu machine on Amazon Web Services. Just open AWS and sign in to your account. I will not cover creating the account process, it's very simple. I don't want to waste time creating my account in Amazon. Just register for an account and sign in. And now in the services, you have to open the EC2 in the compute section. Just click on it. The EC2 is the service used by Amazon to create virtual machines or instance machines. It's like the VPS on other hosting providers. Alright, now we can click on Launch Instance to create our instance machine. Here you have to select the operating system. I will select down here Ubuntu Server 14.04 and click Select. Here we have the free general purpose machine. We have one virtual CPU with 1 GB memory. It's enough for our mail server. Just click on Next, configure instance details. Here you can keep the defaults. We don't have to configure anything. Add storage. Just increase the storage to 30 GB. It's also included in the free plan. Now we don't have to add any tag. And now let's configure the security group. This section is very important since you have to open all the ports needed by your SMTP or your mail server in order to work normally. The SSH port is used to connect and configure your instance machine or your Ubuntu machine. Now I will add all the ports needed by my mail server. I will put a list of these ports in the resources of this lecture. You can check out if you want. I will click add port or add rule now. I will select the SMTP and select the source from anywhere. Now I'll select DNS also, DNS TCP. Let's add also the HTTP protocol since we are going to connect using HTTP to our web mail server. I will add POP3. Also I will add IMAP. POP3 and IMAP are protocols for the mail client. I will add the HTTPS protocol since I will install a TLS certificate and we will need the HTTPS protocol to secure our website. I will add the SMTPS also, which is a secure SMTP. I will add the POP3S also and the IMAP-S protocols. Of course, we may not use all these ports in this course, but I am mentioning all the ports you may need to configure your mail server. So it's up to your architecture, to your needs. You may not install HTTPS or secure certificates, so you will not need this port opened. So it's up to you to open the ports. In the document attached, you will find the required and the recommended and the optional ports you have to open. Also, I need to open port 587. It's used by the SMTP server, and the port 4190. Alright. That's enough for now. Just click on Review and Launch, and we are ready. Click Launch, and here it asks you to create a key pair. This is used to encrypt the connection between you and your instance machine. Just click Create a new key pair and select a name for your key pair. I will say my key 1 as an example and click Download key pair. This will use to generate your private key to connect to the machine. Just click on Launch Instances and we are ready. The instance is now launching. Let's navigate to My Instances, and you can see now my instance is pending and it will run soon. Okay, awesome. Our machine is running and now we are ready to connect and configure. The first thing you have to do is to generate your private key to connect to your machine. Just open Putty generator that we have installed in the last lecture, run it, and then click on conversions here and import key. In my downloads, I will have the key that we downloaded before when you created the machine. This is my key.pm. Click open and click on save private key. Click yes. I will save it on the desktop, and this is my private key. Very nice. Click save now, and that's it. Close this, and now we are ready to open the PuTTY client now to connect to our machine. Here we have the host name or the IP address. Just use this IP address of the machine, copy it and paste it here. And before you click open, be sure to go to connection section here, SSH, and go to authentication and click on browse and select your private key that you saved. Select it and click open now, and awesome. Click on yes, and here we are. The default user is Ubuntu. Click enter, authenticating, and everything is nice. You can see that we are not using the root user. I want to switch to admin mode, so just run the command sudo-i. Click enter, and very nice. Now we are at the root user and we can configure our server. So that's it. This is how you can configure and create your own VPS server or virtual machine in Amazon Web Server. As I mentioned, if you are a beginner, don't worry about Amazon now. Just go with DigitalOcean. It's perfect. It's easy for you. But anyway, it's up to you. Thank you for following, and see you in the next lecture.